afternoon, you all. Myself, Dr. B. Nandini, Assistant Professor of Commerce, V.V. Vanniyaperumal College for Women, Virudhunagar. Now, I am going to give a brief introduction about the steps in portfolio management. Portfolio management is a complex activity which calls for a sequence of steps to be followed carefully. The first and foremost step is the selection of objectives and constraints. The investor's objectives are to be specified it may be income, capital appreciation, or a future revision for contingencies, for meeting the contingencies. The next step in the portfolio management process is selection of asset mix. Asset mix means the proportion of stocks and the portfolio. The third step involved in the management process is the formulation of portfolio strategy. After certain asset mix is chosen, the next step in the portfolio management is the formulation of portfolio strategy. There are two choices, that is an active portfolio strategy and the passive portfolio strategy. A strategy involves holding a broadly diversified portfolio and maintaining a predetermined risk exposure. The next step involved in the processes is security analysis. Under security analysis, the investors actively involve themselves in the selection of security analysis, and it requires the sources of information on the basis of which the security analysis is made. The next step is the portfolio execution. It is related to the buying and selling of securities in the given amount. The next step is portfolio revision. The portfolio revision starts with the selection of scrips to be included in the portfolio. The portfolio once constructed requires constant monitoring and revision. The next step is, the last step is portfolio evaluation. Lastly, the performance of portfolio should be evaluated periodically. It is concerned with the assessing the performance of portfolio over a selected period of time. In this period, it take into consideration the risk and return criteria, quantity of measurement realized, and the risk borne by the portfolio over the period of time. Next, we are going to see about the factors contributing to portfolio management. There are a number of factors are to be considered while selecting the portfolio. The first and foremost factor to be considered is planning. Planning means we have to plan the assets or the portfolio mix which we are going to invest. Either we have to invest in financial assets or in physical assets. Financial assets means the shares, debentures, bonds, and physical assets means precious stones, gold, jewelry, ornaments, etc. The next step involved in the management, the next factor to be considered is supervision. After selecting the portfolios, you have to make a supervision. Thank you.